Storks. I love Warner Brothers Animation, like just them as a animation studio. You know, they made Warner Brothers does like Looney Tunes. You know, right now, well, not anymore. They just Universal now has the rights to do these the Lego movies. So you can see I have them all here. These are all the theatrical ones, at least. Iron Giant, Space Jam, you know, they're a lot more cartoony and they have a lot more fun with being cartoons. And that's what I love about Warner Brothers. They're like animated films. And this is another example of that. This is a very underrated movie. Well, I wouldn't say underrated. Well, it is kind of underrated, but I wouldn't say very well underrated. What I mean to say is like it's not very well known, which is a shame because it's a pretty good movie for what it is. It's pretty decent, you know. This does have the problem of Scoob, where it is very modern in its dialogue and some of the jokes. Like a lot of the jokes are actually very dated now, but I still think it's a funny enough movie on its own that you could still watch this and find it pretty funny. The voice acting, Andy Samberg. You know, you got Kelsey Grammer, Tyler Burnell, or Ty Burnell. You know these. There's a lot of good cast in here. You got Key and Peele in this movie. You got a lot of fantastic voice actors in this movie that do a very good job. There's a lot of gags here that don't work, but there's a lot that do. And the way this movie is structured is that it is delivered gag, 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 gag. So when you have a movie where the gags aren't, or you know, constantly thrown at you, the ones that don't work don't stay. They don't stick with you. So it works with the pace of the movie. It's a very quick movie, fast energy comedy movie. It's freaking hilarious movie, and I think a lot of the comedy is really excellent here because of that. And I think the animation's, you know, decent. It's fine, but the story has a little bit of heart to it, I guess. But really, why you watch this is it is a comedy, and it is pretty funny. I'm not gonna say like it's a brilliant comedy. There are some pretty like hilarious jokes, but I recommend checking it out. It's a fun animated movie, and that's really all I have to say about it.